Let's take a look at what's inside the MFX4 box. Inside the box, you'll first see the MFX4 reader itself. A quick tip before you start: to remove the reader from the packaging, gently press on the right side where the USB connector is located. The reader will slide out smoothly. A protective cover for the USB cable and the reader side is included, providing easy access to insert a SAM card if your setup requires one. Next, you'll find the USB cable. The exact length depends on your chosen specification. We have also included a sticker with a card symbol. This is especially useful when the reader is installed inside a printer, so users can clearly see where to tap their card. Finally, you'll find a double-sided adhesive sticker. This lets you easily fix the reader onto a printer or another surface, keeping it firmly in place. That's everything included in the YSoft MFX4 reader package. As you can see, assembly is quick and straightforward. And once connected, the reader's full 360-degree LED stripe comes to life. Preset to green, but fully adjustable to match your environment.